Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just 4 minutes. By the way, you can download it for free from the link in the description below. First of all, you have to go to picture or texture fill and insert an image. Using offset options, you're gonna resize your image or reposition it. So I'll just move it onto the left side more. Close the format picture option. Go to insert tab and icons. Go to illustrations. You're gonna scroll down and you're gonna insert this blob right here. And what we're gonna do is make it really large by holding Control Option, and this is how it looks right now. We'll just resize it and let's rotate it like this. I want the middle part to come into the slide, so I'll just resize it again. By the way, let me tell you again that you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So let's subtract the part that are out of the template of this shape using a rectangle and merge options. So here you go. Next, we're going to duplicate it after changing its color to white. Go to format shape for that duplicated shape, and we're going to give it a transparency. Let's remove its transparency and use a rectangle to subtract out the part that are out of the slide. So this is how we do it. Now we're going to close the format background and go to insert tab and icons, and from here we're going to insert the same blob into the bottom right corner and duplicate it again and send it to the back and change their colors accordingly. So the color I'm using is a green color. Give them transparency. Give transparency to both of them. Select all of these shapes. Give them a shadow that is on number 6. Group these corner blobs and you're going to duplicate them by pressing Ctrl plus D, rotate them and move them, put them onto the top left corner of the slide and add your other contents or text if you want. Select your text and change its color. I'll use black for them because it is not visible onto a white shape. So let me just use black color. Similarly, we're going to change the color of the outline of the circle and these lines. We're going to add some contact social media icons and change the color from this color option if you want, if these are pictures. So I have green color option right here. Next, we're gonna insert our title onto the slide, increase its size, use a bold font for it, and change its color using the eyedropper option. Because using it, you can use a suitable color from the image that you can just pick out. And say your content text and insert a straight line just below the title. So this is how our template looks right now. If you want to do any more changes, you can customize it by downloading it and then customizing it. Add a rounded corner rectangle just below the content text and make it fully rounded. Add your text, changes shape and color. So now let's select these shapes and this is how our template looks. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get more amazing videos like these.